What is it like to do research at Worcester State? Fascinating.
You get to learn things that you have never heard before.
Doing research at Worcester State is a very free experience.
Research has become something that is so important to me right now. I do want to continue it because they emphasize our strengths and they kind of encourage us to keep going with what we know.
Worcester State is very opportunity given.
I believe Worcester State is special because it offers students opportunities that I have seen elsewhere only in graduate programs.
What makes Worcester State unique? My professors.
Love the professors.
From the day I set foot into Worcester State University, all my professors have been instrumental in my success.
This experience of this research prepares us for that future.
It has opened so many doors for me and kind of introduced me to a world of research that I didn't think I would ever want to be a part of.
I have absorbed so much. It's just been the most wonderful experience.